Governor Kim Reynolds provided some context for today's coronavirus numbers. 13% of all Iowans tested, more than 29,000 people, have been positive with COVID-19. Of those positive, 10% are staff and residents of long-term care facilities. 16% are healthcare workers and 29% work in manufacturing. In just 2 days, the first Test Iowa testing site will be open in downtown Des Moines. Tonight, we're hearing about other partnerships to bring in even more testing. Governor Kim Reynolds was asked why she chose to go with out-of-state companies for this big initiative.
When I learned about the opportunity to have significant access to significant tests, and most importantly, the assessment piece that was tied to it, which is extremely beneficial as we start to open things back up and continue to manage the virus, I was very intrigued with the capability that it provided.
Test Iowa promises to deliver up to 3,000 tests every day at its peak. But before you get a test, you have to submit personal information into a website run by private companies. How secure is that data, some are wondering. We spoke to one of the leaders of this initiative today.
That information is your information, and you're authorizing the state to have that information as you enter it. But that's just the state and you. And so it's all HIPAA compliant. All the information is stored encrypted. We don't even have access to it because everything's encrypted at rest. It's just the state.
So far, more than 120,000 Iowans have already filled out the online assessment to see if they're eligible to get a test. All the appointments at the testing site in Des Moines for this weekend are already filled. There's no word on when and where the next sites might be.